tinctures are a really popular way to consume CBD, and they're actually preferred by most Relief Scout customers. What's great about them is that it has a pretty quick onset, but also long-lasting effects. The way that you use a CBD tincture is that you put the oil within a dropper or a pipette and put it under your tongue. Let it sit there for about 60 to 90 seconds and then swallow. You have a lot of receptors under your tongue that allow your body to easily absorb the CBD that's within the product you're consuming. Now, one thing to note about tincture is that it can be very bold and earthy in flavor that some people don't really like. What you can potentially find are tinctures that are actually flavored, like peppermint, for instance, or if you're interested in mellowing out the flavor, you can put it in something like a smoothie. Tinctures are definitely preferred most by Relief Scout customers for a couple of reasons. One, it's got a really good bang for your buck, and two, it's easy to measure and play around with the dosage to find out what's best for you. Lazarus Naturals is a company that's based out of Seattle, Washington and Portland, Oregon, and they source all of their hemp from certified organic farms throughout the United States. They maintain good manufacturing practices certification, and all of their products pass third-party lab tests. You can take a look at all of the COAs with the corresponding product images in the Relief Scout store. They're currently a member of the U.S. Hemp Roundtable, and they're a really great socially responsible organization that gives back to veterans. Lazarus Naturals 750 mg CBD bottle is one of my personal favorites. It comes in a few different flavors. We have the classic flavor as well as chocolate mint and French vanilla mocha. So if the flavor of tincture could be a little bit off-putting for you, these flavors are especially delicious. They've got a really great balanced terpene profile with relaxing, uplifting, and soothing effects. But what we've noticed is that actually 80% of Relief Scouters that have used this prefer to use this before bed to help them with sleep and to kind of wind down at the end of the day. Lazarus Naturals have a really great bang for your buck. And what's great about this size bottle is that it's a good one to travel with. If you happen to be traveling for a week or two, this certainly will last you around 15 to 30 days. And again, you can take a look at each and every certificate of analysis on the Relief Scout website.